What up? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't had the time to edit videos in a while now, but I have been working on some bikes nonetheless. I've added these wheel covers. I believe they're from Alibaba, but I got them off of a Super73 ZX that I'm currently working on, but I transferred it on this main bike that I use, the Super73 72 volt. I actually have a dual battery setup now with a 60 volt up here, 60 volt 19 amp, and inside is a 72 volt 25 amp. And I'm using a battery blender to basically get more range out of this vehicle. It's so much beefier now with that wheel cover setup, but it's looking nice. It's going to be the first time I'm really testing it out. I'm here in Pomona for a bro sunset ride. I thought I was late, but they haven't even left yet. It's like 10 minutes past the kickstand time. I also haven't been to a group ride in a while. It's been a while. I'm actually content with just mountain biking, even by myself or a couple of buddies. Some Teleria. I see a Rev 1. Oh, I see a Rumble Air. All kinds of stuff going on. All kinds of modified bikes. There's much more modified bikes than regular bikes. That's also a cool BMX kind of style with an Onyx battery. But that BMX has a triple suspensions actually. That's a cool build. That's a nice build, man.
Oh, thanks, man.
What frame is that?
It's a Zeus Ultraflex frame.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
It looks big. Like, I've never seen one in person.
Oh, really? Yeah, no, they're supposed to be a bigger than the normal Zeus frames because it's got the full suspension front and the back.
Yeah.
They made a taller frame, so, because people were claiming that the other one was too short and that the legs were too cramped.
Yeah, yeah.
They didn't make a taller frame.
Nice.
Nice, because, hey, what's up, Ken? How you doing, buddy? I can see it. Hell yeah. Oh, speed-wise, it does 50, 55. I've gone as fast as 60.
Nice.
2.
Oh, wow.
A little bit of a downgrade, but I had to let go because the steering got really wobbly.
Okay.
After. What's your name, bro?
I'm Julian.
Julian Edwin. Nice to meet you, Julian.
Edwin, nice meeting you.
Oh, yeah. Getting ready?
Yeah. All right, 6 p.m. Let's go. Here we go. Go time. Maybe 25 people. Give or take. This Super73 is modified too. I don't know what she's holding, but her backpack is cool as heck. It has an emoji right now. I guess we're tearing it up at the parking garage, it seems like. Up rooftop for the first stop, I think. Man, those backpacks are expensive. Last I checked, those digital backpacks, custom graphics, whatever you want to put in. Okay, this camera stick is gonna hit the ceiling. So this is the weekend where the Northern Lights is actually very possible in LA. I'm gonna go to Castaic Lake late tonight. I'm leaving this ride probably at 8 or 9, and I'm gonna drive an hour plus north and hopefully catch the Northern Lights show, which, you know, hasn't happened in this area in over 21 years, they said. So hopefully me and my sister can catch some good viewing. We'll see, time will tell. But in the meantime, today, spending the afternoon with the bro group ride. Ooh, graduation photos. It is the season. I guess we're just tearing it up in the actual campus here. I actually have not been here, and it's just pretty close to me. Alright, everyone test their brakes. Going downhill. There we go. So maybe I have been in Cal Poly Pomona, but not in the exact, buildings area like what we cut through today. But Kevin did show us around here once upon a time. Alright, looks like we're going up the ramp. Bridge ramp. San Antonio College now. This part is nice. Me likey. Bridges are always nice to ride on. Here we are, Mount Sac. ADA compliant are really bonus for us. Alright. Oh, heck yeah. When the heck did Kai do this route? How did they procure this? Now we're at a different parking structure. Alright. Very nice. I think this would only fly on a weekend, like it's a Saturday today. I don't think we'd be able to do what we're doing here in colleges during the weekdays. But maybe I'm wrong. Empty schools. If I'm not mistaken, we're up Walnut area, and I do remember going here as well. Kevin's ride. It doesn't matter who copied who in terms of routes, but they're definitely nice, scenic, windy routes up in the hills. So far, my covers on the wheel has not caused the issues yet in terms of falling off or handling against the wind or anything like that. So far it's alright. At the same time, I never drive that fast anyway. Maybe when I'm at high speeds, I would feel the wind resistance. And we're at Suzanne Park, City of Walnut. This is normally where we stop. Alright, so I lost the group. One guy dropped his 360 camera. I helped him get it. And then that got me lost and way behind the group. And that might be okay because I'm gonna head home, eat, and I'm gonna try to chase this northern lights showing. Hopefully I could see it. Only an hour going north, hopefully. That's going to be in today's vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more e-bike adventures. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. Oh, In-N-Out. Maybe I'll grab some In-N-Out. Man, I lost the group quick. I should not have stopped. Just for that one time, I should not have stopped.